Why you should choose FIXR T30 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop combo with 12,000 PA, robotic vacuums cleaner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 12,000 PA monster suction. This robot vacuum and mop combo eats up everything dust, pet hair, hidden dirt. With insane 12,000 PA power, it digs deep into carpets and crevices like a beast. No crumbs left behind. Period. 75-day hands-free, zero chores. Meet the self-emptying robot vacuum cleaner that handles trash for 2.5 months. Its 3.5 liters dock bag traps debris, so you chill while it works. Plus 240-minute runtime cleans your whole castle non-stop. Say bye to daily maintenance. Smart no collision dodge. Robotic vacuums with laser eyes? Yes. It sees vases, shoes, and cables, then glides around them like a pro. Real-time path tweaks equals zero crashes, zero stress. Perfect for messy homes and clumsy humans. Tangle-free rubber brush. Pet hair nightmare? Not for this robot vacuum and mop. The rubber brush actively repels tangles, so hair slides right off. Less cutting, more cleaning. Comes with a spare nylon rubber brush too because we got your back. Smart carpet boost and avoid. This robot vacuum with self-empty station auto boosts suction on carpets for a deep fiber clean. Or flip-on carpet avoidance mode, ultrasonic sensors spot edges and steer clear. Multi-floor maps? Handled. Your rugs, your rules. App and voice mode. This robot vacuum self-emptying scans your home in seconds and stores multi-floor maps. Use the app or Alexa to draw no-go zones, set schedules, or just yell "clean my room" like a true boss. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.